Hello, welcome to the Police Crime Listings Analysis Web Map tutorial video. Today we're going to cover some of the police specific applications on the web app. For those that have watched the other other app videos, this really sort of builds on top of what was previously shown. So we're only really going to highlight a couple of things in this video, and it's going to be fairly quick. One we're going to highlight is on the left-hand side. The toolbar is slightly different. You have a few more geoprocessing options, and then up here at the top, you also the top right, excuse me, you have some new geoprocessing options as well. All the other functionality really remains the same from the other previous web apps. So I do want to highlight that as of right now, that only one geoprocessing option works on the web. If you'd like to see how to run some of the other geoprocessing options locally, you'll need to watch the local video that is on a different page. So right now we've got just our base web map, and I'm going to zoom into a particular location here on our web map, so that we can run one of these geoprocessing options. Just give it a second while it thinks. I guess it helps when the map is selected. Okay, so let's zoom into a specific neighborhood here in Greensboro. As you can see, once the map is selected, it does actually respond pretty quickly to re-render everything. Okay, so what you see here, these are all crime dots, but I'm going to add in an extra layer here since we've zoomed in a little further from the layer list. I'm going to add in all listings. We're going to give that a second to draw. Perfect. And you can denote those by the different colors of dots, and that will symbolize the different types of listings, which is probably going to be important for whatever you're looking for. So let's go over here, and as of right now, the multi-ring buffer is the only thing that really works. All the other ones, due to a server glitch, are still in processing. So I based this off of a point area, and let's just pick this Walker and Mendenhall Street intersection. And you click that, and that will be your center point from which this buffer will run. And you're going to click execute, and it's going to take it a few minutes to run here. But what this is going to do is create a multi-ring buffer at quarter-mile intervals to show basically where particular crime is based on, or listings are based on that 4-ring 0.25 mile area increments. So it goes from 0.25 all the way from that point all the way out to a mile. And we're just going to let it run, and then it will add the input, as you can see right here. The input layer has been added, and the first ring is a quarter mile from this particular spot. All the way out to this far outside one is a mile from this particular spot. So you can see if there's a cluster of listings in a particular area, you can see how close crime is happening to those particular cluster of listings. And really, it looks like that there are quite a few crimes centered around this 0.25 miles from this intersection point, although there do not seem to be very many listings. And this is really used the best when you're zoomed into a particular neighborhood, and maybe even having not quite so much information, maybe actually having filtered out down to a particular year or a type of crime or listing. And to get rid of all this, you can always hit the clear for the output, and that will clear off the rings. And you can hit clear for the input as well, and that will clear off your point. It looks like there's quite a few homes that were for sale here, and you could use a cluster analysis around there. The rest of these are all spatial analysis, and we are currently working on getting those up for the web, but right now that's something that would be built in a future release. To see how they run locally, watch the following video after that. Thank you.